Hello guys, welcome
to Mobile Legends!
now on how to install operating system in your computer. The operating system we will use is Windows 7. So here's the minimum system requirements for Windows 7. Now let's start to install Windows 7 using your bootable flash drive and restart your computer. Immediately press delete, escape, F2, F10 or F9 when it restarts. Depending on the model of your computer, press one of these buttons immediately after you power on. Your computer will enter the BIOS system and find your BIOS boot options menu. The boot options menu of your BIOS may vary in location or name from the registration, but you may eventually find it if you search around. And now, select your flash drive or removable drives as the first boot device of your computer. Although this method may vary among computers, it is typically a menu of movable device names where you should set your flash drive as the first boot device. After that, save your work and it will restart. Windows setup will begin loading. Once Windows setup loads, you will be presented with a window. And use the drop-down menus to select your preferred language, cable type, and time currency format. Then click Next in the lower right corner.
Okay, so now after all that setup in the BIOS, we are finally going to be installing our Windows 7 OS. Now first of all, language settings. We're going to use English, because it's the only way we're going to understand each other. So next, we install now, and then we wait. Like how we wait every day until nothing ever comes out from our patience. It's the truth to this world. Okay. Anyways, now, terms and service. I am not gonna bother reading it for you guys. No worries. I am not gonna waste your time. We're just gonna move on. But if you guys want to read this, I'm not gonna stop you. But for now, we're just moving along. Next, installation type. What will we be using? Either upgrade or custom. Did I say upgrade? Yes. Actually, yeah, it is upgrade. Okay, what am I talking about? Okay. We are going to be using custom. Why? Reasons. I got no internet, obviously. But for now, we're going custom. And then, we're going to move on to the next guy who's going to be explaining this part. So, next segment.
Okay, in this part, we will partition this disk by 2. Click it and click new. Now divide that 64 gig by 2 and it's 32122 and apply. Okay, now we have 3 partition here. The third partition is an unallocated space, and an allocated space is not ready for storage. So click that and click new. Then apply. So now we will install Windows 7 in partition 3. So we will format that. Wait for a moment. Just a moment. Then click next. Now just wait for it to be completely installed and that's it. That's my part. Ciao.
Okay, let's proceed to the last step of OS installation. After the installation updates, our computer will automatically restart to finish the installation. Wait for a few minutes, and in this step we need to type a computer name. It is our choice if we want to set into our family name or your username. Then click the enter button. At this time, we need to set a password to secure our personal computer. Let's go with 123456 and retype the password 123456. Then the password hint 123456. It is our choice to whatever we want to set a password and the password hint. Then click the enter button. At this time, we need to choose in the three selections: home network, work network, and the last is public network. Home network is usually used in personal computer in our house. Next is the work network. This is usually used in our workplace. The last is public network that usually used into computer shops. Then few seconds we will see that we will coming us and preparing our computer. Wait for a few minutes. Let's try make a folder in the desktop. Okay, right click, then new folder, then desktop. If we want to see the properties of our computer or specs, click the start button, right click the computer, then click the properties. We can see the computer name, Windows version, and how many bits, 64 or 32. Okay, that is the end of our tutorial. I hope that you are gain knowledge. That's the end of our tutorial. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.